Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're going to make a fermented mango habanero hot sauce. This recipe is one that we've gotten quite a few requests for, and it happens to be one of our favorites. Adding mango to the hot sauce adds this great tropical sweetness that pairs super well with fruity habaneros. Habanero peppers are, however, super spicy, so if you're looking for something more mild, we definitely have a whole lot of different fermented hot sauces that you should check out. We'll be linking this recipe in the description, and you can also find all our hot sauce recipes at FarmSteady.com, as well as our Fermented Hot Sauce Kit. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do. Now let's get started making this fermented mango habanero hot sauce. For this recipe, you'll need 15 to 20 habanero peppers, 2 mangoes, cut into cubes, 1 bell pepper and 1 onion, chop those both up, and some fresh ginger. And 2.5 tablespoons of salt. We're just going to lay out all our ingredients that are going to go into a 1/2 gallon glass fermenter. And don't forget gloves. Habanero peppers are hot. Just remove the tops and split them open. For these peppers, I'm going to take out most of the seeds, but if you like things super spicy, you can definitely leave them in. If habaneros are too hot for you, Fresno peppers would also be great in this recipe. Keep layering. Layer them all in there. Layer in your other ingredients, mango, peppers, onion, and ginger. For your mango, you want it to be ripe, but still firm and not overly ripe. And of course, more habaneros. And perfect. Now add your glass fermentation weight and get ready to make your brine. For this, you'll need 1 quart of water and that 2.5 tablespoons of salt. Now keep whisking till the salt's dissolved. Then just pour it in. Then fill to cover the fermentation weight. Top with your lid and airlock and ferment away. For our hot sauce recipes, we like to ferment them for 2 to 3 weeks. When it's ready, you'll want to remove that fermentation weight. Then you want to just transfer all those peppers, onions, mango, and ginger into your blender. Add in 1 cup of your fermentation brine. You'll see that it's gotten a lot cloudier than it started out with. For this batch, we used apple cider vinegar, but white vinegar works great too. Blend that all up until it's super smooth. and then transfer into bottles. Perfect.
After blending and bottling, you'll want to store your hot sauce in the fridge. And as this one is super spicy, a little goes a long way. For more great fermented hot sauce recipes, please subscribe to this channel and check out FarmSteady.com.